Control A. Add data label. Format data label. Give series name. Rub the value. So Pakistan is labeled directly. Similarly, we'll label all these directly instead of having regions. Give chart title always outside chart bar. It will give more space for chart for the information. Rub these grid lines. We want to compare Bangladesh with others, so make all others light gray. Keep on doing these tricks, you'll have chart like this one. No line against chart, so you'll have this plain chart. Even rub these lines. So let's have, now you have only chart, and let's have the Economist theme. Okay, now merge these cells and give title merge and have title left aligned, always left aligned title, and it should be sentence case. In South Asia, you can give data source here, you can write sentences here, you can copy paste, but please note down, they don't paste it as picture, rather paste it as link picture. Why is it so? Because if you make any change here, for example, I change the title, I rub this, I enter it, so this change will also be here. And now you can copy this chart and paste it. Thank you.